New details about the events that led up to the death of Rohingya refugee Nurul Alam.
And for the first time since his death was ruled a homicide, we're hearing from the response from Customs and Border Protection. Our Trina Catterson is standing by with more. Trina?
Jeff and Kelsey, at a press conference held yesterday, we learned the medical examiner's office officially ruled Nurul Alam's manner of death to be a homicide. Now, this is a clinical definition. That means Alam's death was not accidental, but the result of negligence. Alam was in custody at the Erie County Holding Center. On February 19th, he was released into the custody of Border Patrol agents at 5:25 p.m. Agents then drove Alam to the Batavia ICE facility. At the same time, his family was heading to the holding center to pick him up. But once agents determined Alam should not be held at the Batavia facility, they did not take him back. Instead, they say they offered him a courtesy ride to a coffee shop. Border Patrol claims Alam agreed, but that detail is unclear because he did not speak English. Back to the timeline, Alam was dropped off at a Tim Hortons sometime after 9 p.m. The coffee shop was closed when he arrived, and it was miles away from his home. 5 days later, on February 24th, Alam was found dead outside the KeyBank Center. His family was never notified where he was taken.
The way incarcerated individuals are generally released, there's a side door, there's an alleyway, and they were waiting right there. In fact, they were even in the alleyway for some time, and they were asked to move back. Plus, they made several trips up to the desk to ask the status, to find out if he was going to be released, when it would happen. So I don't know who's putting that information out, but it's obviously someone who has no knowledge whatsoever from the standpoint of firsthand knowledge.
A spokesperson for Customs and Border Protection released a statement to News 4 saying this is, quote, another hoax being peddled by the media and sanctuary politicians to demonize our law enforcement. This death had nothing to do with Border Patrol. Mr. Alam passed almost a week after he was released by Border Patrol. He also had a serial violent criminal rap sheet, end quote. Now, Connor said in the last 5 weeks since Alam's death, Customs and Border Patrol have made no attempts to contact the family. He says he'd like to see CBP conduct their own internal investigation and tell the public what happened. In the studio, Trina Catterson, News 4.